विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ
उत्तिष्ठित जागृत प्राप्य वरानिम बोधित। उठो, जागो और तब तक नहीं रुकना जब तक लक्ष्य हासिल ना हो। IHM Ranchi. This is not just a college, but a wonderful place that bring the better version of yourself. It's the place where you bring the better version of yourself. It's the place where you get an opportunity to present yourself. I'm here since 2 years, and I'm pretty sure that no other place can give me this environment. Faculties are always approachable whenever we need them. Various events take place, promoters, bloggers all visit our college. Sports is also an important part of our institution. Students are always encouraged to take part in various tournaments. The relation over here is just not like just faculties and students. We make an IHM family. Now, it's a been pleasure to start this auspicious occasion. Heartily welcome to all of you present over here. First of all, I like to thank my institute to give me an opportunity to speak a word. Now, I would like to invite Principal Sir or our Honorable Principal Sir to welcome our Chief Guest, Shri Shantanu Guha Roy.
Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. It is very enlightening moment, happy moment for me to welcome all my audience here. Let me first have that opportunity of welcoming my chief guest, Sri Santanu Guharao. He is the chief guest for the today's award ceremony and the general manager of Radisson Blue Hotel. His details, obviously, Ms. Niharika will be sharing with you all. But on behalf of IHM and all my students, I welcome you to the session, sir. Thank you for joining us. I'd also like to, I have all the guests here now. I'd like to welcome Chef Nishant Chaube. He's a celebrity chef and he's well known as sustainable chef. पर मैं इनको झारखंड का शेर कहता हूँ because coming from a small city of Bokaro and reaching this pinnacle for being known as the international chef and representing India at various uh, stage. I'd like to welcome you, sir. I have Chef Sumit Pant. Again, I call him as the modern chef. Once I used to dream a chef carrying a saucepan in one hand and laptop in another hand and running around the kitchen, and Chef Sumit is one of them. And I really like the way he has brought the cooking, brought the chef as a career or the cooking as a career or a hotel management as a career to the students. It's marvelous job. We have another guest with us, Chef Meera Singh, a gourmet chef, again out of all stereotype, from a housewife to a chef who has participated in lot many events, have been in the finals of those events. He has participated in TV's live shows also. So welcome, Chef Meera. Now I have welcome all my guests. Niharika, I hand over the session to you. Please continue.
Now, we all know him for his strong leadership skills high integrity, excellent ability in leading and working with multicultural and cross-functional teams and creating highly engaged team. I would request Mr. Shantanu sir to give some motivational word for us.
Shantanu sir, please unmute yourself. Shantanu sir, please unmute your mic. We are waiting for you. Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to Dr. Bhupesh Kumar, and very good afternoon to Chef Meera, Chef Sumit, and Chef Nissan for judging this excellent thing. And a warm welcome and a good afternoon to all my budding hotelier friends. Well, all of you know that right now it is a tough time going on for the hotel industry because of the the COVID wave 2. And again, for the last 1.5 years, the entire hotel and hospitality industry is down. But nothing to worry about. We are in the recovering stage. And we will shortly recover. We also anticipate that everything will be fine by mid of July, and we will be back to business. And so, all my colleagues, who are going into the third year, so need not be worried. The hotel industry, there is no dearth of jobs. And yes, last 1.5 years has been bad, but it is not only bad for us, but bad for the entire world. And the entire economy has gone down. So again, if we will recover, in the every industry will recover, and as per se, we will also recover, because hotels. You require the hotels when the hotels is directly proportional to the the economy of the country. So once the economy stabilizes, the hotel industry will also stabilize, and it will open up all the fronts as in the past. And talking about this initiative, Dr. Kumar has taken a fantastic initiative during this time. So all of you be motivated. Don't be disheartened that what is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Everything will be normal in due course of time, and everything, and we anticipate that everything will be fine by July, mid-July. So all of you gear up, have a good time in the college, learn, and then, and learn, and for us, if any exposure that you need, that we are there, for the practical exposure, we are there for you to help you out in any, thing that you want. And regarding the curriculum, keep yourself motivated, and brush up your innovation, your creativity. That is what is required. That's what the hospital industry requires, and we require the professionals like you. Right? All the very best. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Kumar.
Thank you very much, sir, for such a short, sweet, and need of the hour speech by you, and it is going to really motivate the budding chefs. Niharika, please introduce our next guest and invite him.
Next we have Chef Nishant Chaubey. Chef Nishant is also known as Sustainable Chef and is the counseling chef for Michelin Plated in this Bangkok. More than 15 years experience, corporate chef. Chef of the Year in 2017, gold medalist in AHAR and represented India in United States.
Niharika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so should we invite Chef Nishant for his words of wisdom?
Please, sir.
Yes, Chef, now we hand over the session to you. The chefs, all these young chefs are waiting, eagerly waiting to listen to you.
Sure, sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So I would like to, convey my gratitude to Dr. Bhupesh, Santi sir, Sumit, Chef Sumit, Meera. We all have been part of this competition, And the moment Dr. Mukesh said that, this is happening in Jharkhand, as I come from Jharkhand, it's always a nostalgia to go back and, to look at all those amazing creations. In fact, I was there last lockdown, and I spent almost 6 months there, but I recreated around 300 recipes from our region. Okay, that's the work that I have done, and that the work that I have done is for Round Glass Thali. Okay, so I think you all should be part of Round Glass Thali, which is a sustainable platform, which it is based out of US, but they do a lot of work in India. And I would request all of you to be part of Round Glass Thali. Okay, as Santanu sir was saying that, you don't have to worry about your future. Food will never lag. I think the requirement for every industry would be food. Food is not gonna disappear. We all have to eat to survive. I think that's the basic necessity we all have. So as long as you have good skills in your hand, I think I would kindly request, and I have seen the recipes, fantastic recipes. I would like to congratulate all of you, and of course to Dr. Mukesh, that he has organized it so well. A few tips, it was all a virtual platform that we were all judging. So whatever you see, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है kind of. Okay, you actually look at from our eyes and judge your dishes. So if someone has not made it, don't get disheartened, because it was only for that period of time that we were seeing your plate and we were understanding that this is how it is gonna taste. So it is only for that moment. But what I saw in your recipes was very, very clear. The video was very clear. In fact, I have been judging a lot of sessions and a lot of culinary competition. But believe me, this was the best one, because you guys have done in a certain symmetry. Okay, everything that was being showed to us, or the videos, the link that was shown to us, was very, very clear. Recipe was very, very clear. I would just like to give a few tips. When you are showcasing something online, try to innovate. Okay, in fact, on the vegetarian side or on the dessert side, someone made stuffed mango. It was very nice. Very skillfully, she actually took out the seed, and then stuffed the malai inside and freeze it in the deep chiller, and then slice it and present it. Very, very good. See, less is more. The less you handle, the better it is. Okay. Then your main focus should be the main protein what you're serving. Sometimes what happens, a few plates I have seen where the side dishes were getting highlighted as hero dish, as the main thing. But I think that's you guys have to work on that. That your main protein, be chicken, be fish, be in any kind of vegetable. If you want to showcase, you should put more emphasis on that than the other thing complement that various main thing. So I think these are a few artistry you can do. Sometimes you can pour the sauce and then take the video while pouring the sauce, or maybe grating something on the dish, or in fact grating parmesan or grating lemon. Anything would be actually nice, would be well appreciated. I think the authentic Jharkhandi food also was very, very good. Somebody made dumbu, some chilka I saw, then some bit of elephant yam. I think elephant yam is the ingredient of the world. The entire world wants to understand the root vegetable, and this is one of them which is very, very nice, because it actually retains its texture. So I think you guys have showcased an amazing kind of talent, virtual platform, in the virtual platform. My good wishes to all of you. I just like to correct Niharika. It's Michelin star. Okay. Michelin is the highest honor a chef gets in this world. So I'm consulting chef for Michelin Plated Indus Bangkok, where the food is on the lines of Indus Valley civilization. My guru is Dr. Pushpeshwar. Again, he is a very, very famous food historian of India. If you ever watch Raja Rasai Kanya, he's a part of that. So these are the people who have actually got amazing knowledge of Indian food. And I am certainly very, very lucky that I'm still being nurtured or nurtured. Whatever I do, I ensure that I follow footsteps of Dr. Pushpeshwar. and we both have done this project called Express. So I think overall it was a very, very satisfying moment. It was a very, very elevating moment for myself. I'm very, very motivated. Travel has already started, okay, with a lot of care. And I think, as Sir Santanu sir was saying, I think 2 months down the line we will have full house. Already, if you look at the hills of India, it's all packed. Okay, the hotels are not available. It's going out of box. Himachal or Uttarakhand is full of tourists. So it is started, but again with a lot of care you have to you have to lead your life. That's very, very important. But main thing is you should have good skill to ensure that you find great symmetry in the culinary circle. So I think this is about me, and if you guys have any more questions, you can always ask us. I'm more than happy to assist you in your future. Thank you, Dr. Bhupesh, once again for making me part of this amazing journey, and I'm looking forward to see all of you very, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
very
sir,
much.
for your kind words.
Yes, Niharika, continue. Niharika, let me coordinate with Chef Sumit. By then, you can continue for the next guest.
Sure, sir. Now I would like to welcome Chef Meera Singh, a Garnet chef and founder of Sunday Cook Show and finalist in TV cook show Chulha Chauka. She is also expert in regional cuisine. Ma'am, please share some words with us.
Good afternoon, all of you. Present here, Chef Sumit, Chef Nishan, and Santanu sir. और सबसे पहले मैं आईएचएम रांची को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कि मुझे इनवाइट किया और मौका दिया बच्चों के रेसिपीज को जज करने के लिए। बच्चों के रेसिपीज के सारे वीडियोस मैंने देखे और मेरे लिए यह सौभाग्य की बात है कि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने इसमें इंटरेस्ट भी लिए और किसी भी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये रखता है कि बच्चे जीत और हार पे ना जाएं। जीत और हार तो जीवन में आगे बढ़ने का एक जरिया है, इसलिए इसे हमें घबराना नहीं है और इस तरह के पार्टिसिपेशंस और एक्सपीरियंस हमें आगे बढ़ने का मोटिवेशन भी देते हैं और हमारी शक्ति को मजबूत बनाते हैं। दूसरी चीज की सारी वीडियोस को मैंने देखे और मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कुछ सुधार वीडियोस में कैसे आप लाओगे। पहली बात तो है प्लानिंग बहुत ही जरूरी है और प्लानिंग में सबसे पहले आप जिस वर्क प्लेस पे काम करते हो वो सबसे पहले क्लीन और हाइजीनिक होनी चाहिए। दूसरी चीज है कि आप कोई भी रेसिपीज बनाने से पहले आप इंग्रेडिएंट्स की प्लानिंग सबसे पहले कर लें। जैसे एग्जांपल, आपको क्यूमिन सीड्स लेने हैं तो आपको ये शो अप करने हैं कि हमने 10 ग्राम क्यूमिन सीड्स लिए। दूसरी चीज है कि आप किस पोर्शन पे बना रहे हो, कितने पोर्शन में बना रहे हो, 1 पोर्शन, 2 पोर्शन, 4 पोर्शन, कितने व्यक्तियों के लिए आप बनाए हो। और तीसरी है टाइमिंग, आप कितनी टाइमिंग के अंदर आप अपनी कुकिंग को प्रेजेंट करते हो, वो भी नोट करने वाली बात है। दूसरी, प्रॉपर यूज ऑफ किचन यूटेंसिल्स। जैसे बहुत सारे कुछ लोगों ने वीडियोस में मैंने देखे नॉन स्टिक के बर्तन में स्टील की स्पैचुला को उन्होंने यूज किया, तो मैं बता दूं कि कभी भी नॉन स्टिक के बर्तन में आप वुडन स्पैचुला का यूज करें। उसके बाद फ्लेवर ऑफ क्वालिटीज ऑफ द डिश और प्रेजेंट ऑफ द डिश, बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी सी चीजें हैं जिनको आपको ध्यान में रखना है। उसके बाद बात करते हैं वीडियोस की शूटिंग पे। तो वीडियोस की शूटिंग को फोकस आप किसी भी स्टैंड पर लगाकर करें, जिससे कि आप का जो वीडियो का जो बनाते हो तो कैमरा में जो पिक्चर्स आ रहे हैं वो हिलने नहीं चाहिए और आप जहाँ पे वीडियोस कर रहे हो वहां पे काफी अच्छे से रोशनी होनी चाहिए। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात आती है कि प्रेजेंटेशन, हमारी जो डिश की प्रेजेंटेशन है बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। मैक्सिमम पार्टिसिपेट ने यहाँ पे वो मिस कर दिया है। तो डिश प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत ही वैल्यू करता है किसी भी रेसिपीज को देखने या ना देखने से पहले, इसलिए आप लोग डिश की प्रेजेंटेशन पर ज्यादा ध्यान दें। और वो चीज के लिए मैं आपको गाइड करना चाहती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट टाइम आप जब भी कुकिंग कॉम्पिटिशन में जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले आप अपनी डिश की प्रेजेंटेशन पर ज्यादा ध्यान दें। ताकि जो सामने वाला देखता है ना तो उसे एक बार देखकर ही आपके प्रेजेंटेशन को उसके मुंह से एक शब्द निकले, वाओ। और मैं फिर से आईएचएम रांची को धन्यवाद कहना चाहूंगी कि आने वाले वेडिंग सेफ्स को इन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट कर एक इवेंट के मतलब किया हमें इवेंट के जरिए। और इस लॉकडाउन में बच्चे जहां कॉलेज नहीं जा रहे, क्लासेस डिस्टर्ब हो रखे हैं, वहां पर बच्चों को घर में कुकिंग का एक मौका दिया अपने हुनर को प्रेजेंट करने का। तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you all the jury members for sharing a word for us.
Niharika,
Now,
excuse you just. This one, what we say, Chef Sumit Pan, he will be speaking on my mobile. I am putting on the mic, my mobile, so that we all can listen what he wanted to speak. Chef Sumit, please. You are audible on phone now. You can speak. I have put my phone on the mic of this ceremony. Yeah.
So I want to first of all say there were always some internet glitches which shows up. So I want to tell all of the students who took part that this was a great event, and like he said that when we are not going to colleges and we can still Professor is still motivating his students to do and cook something. Not only his students, people across India he is motivating, and he has always been such a motivator. And I've seen him. He just not never stops. इनके सर का कोई जैसे बोलते हैं ना मंजिल तय नहीं. He is somebody who wants to go further, learn more, do more. So we have learned. I personally have learned a lot of things from Professor. And one tip that I wanted to give the students who took part in this competition was, you guys have done wonderfully good. What mistakes some of the videos that I've found and I've seen we have done is, there's no quantity measurements. Now guys, when you're doing a recipe, a quantity is a must, and especially when you're, putting yourself in a competition. How would I, as a judge, would see how much salt have you put in, how much milk have you used. So in some videos, the videos were wonderful, but I had to cut marks because there was no mention of the ingredients, which is very important. And then in the end, when you're putting your food on your plate, it should look fabulous. Because what we do, we have been teaching our students, and we have been taught from the seniors that we eat from the eyes first. So no matter whatever we have cooked, how tasty it is, but if it is not looking good, it is no value, right? And social media is something which is booming now, right? So whenever you're making something, use a hashtag of your name so that you know that you have done this work, this day, okay? Just to keep a record of yourself. This was a competition. When you take in any competition, when you take part, you come out after having learned something and after being improved yourself a little bit more. You get to know a little bit more about the ingredients. You get to know a little bit more about your capabilities. That is what it is. So when you're taking a part in a competition, whether you're winning it or you're losing it, you are making yourself a little bit better man, a little bit more professional, a little bit more skilled person. So this was it from me, because my networks are really, second. So I want to again thanks Dr. Bhupesh Kumar to give me this opportunity to be in the same platform with the likes of Chef Nishant, Shantanu sir, Meera, Chef, and of course with the presence of all these young buddies. So I wish you all the very best for the future, guys. Do well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chef Sumit. You can join us back in the meeting. Thank you.
Right.
Yes, Niharika, you can take over the session now.
thank you so much, sir. You made us hear him.
Welcome.
So now, the wait is over now. So hold your heart. The time for result now. So now I would request our Honorable Principal, sir, to announce the result. And all the best to all the participants.
Okay, since the wait was there for announcement of the result, before that, I'll take a chance to put on some words from my side, and I'll be taking the leverage of talking in Hindi, because Hindi is our mother language, being a government institution. आई लाइक टू हैव दैट प्रिविलेज। सो नमस्कार सबको, सभी जितने भी यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, बहुत सारे होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज से पार्टिसिपेट किए। ये हमारे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य की बात थी। IHM पूषा, IHM कलकत्ता, IHM मुंबई, नेम कोई भी आप IHM का ले लें, प्लस प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट से नेवतिया यूनिवर्सिटी कोलकाता, उन लोगों ने भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट दिखाया। बाकी और भी कई जगहों से हम लोगों ने वीडियो प्राप्त किए, और कुछ आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, छोटे बच्चों ने, क्लास 6 के बच्चों ने भी अपनी रेसिपीज प्रेजेंट किए थे। तो ये मुझे दिख रहा है कि ये जो खाना बनाने का जो एक कला है, आज की डेट में हर कोई के अंदर जागृत होने लगा है। अच्छा शेफ कौन बनेगा, ये तो बात की बात है, क्योंकि मैं इसके लिए, इस प्रोफेशन के लिए एक बात कहता हूं कि शेफ वो प्रोफेशन है जो आप नहीं चुनते हैं, ये प्रोफेशन आपको चूज करता है। यानी कि आप लाख कोशिश कर लो कि कुछ भी करके शेफ बन जाओ, जब तक ये प्रोफेशन आपको एक्सेप्ट ना कर ले, आप एक सक्सेसफुल शेफ नहीं बन पाते। मैं शांतनु सर का सही में बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा, मेरा मेंटर है। IHM रांची को इस लेवल पे लाने में GM रेडिसन का बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है, मतलब आई कांट लिमिट इन वर्ड्स। एंड कभी भी किसी भी टाइम में कहीं भी ही इज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल, हर समय वो हाजिर होते हैं हम लोगों को मदद करने के लिए। शेफ निशांत चौबे के लिए, जैसे मैंने कहा, दुनिया उनको सस्टेनेबल शेफ कहती है, मैं उनको झारखंड का शेर कहता हूँ। मुझे बहुत फक्र होता है, और सही में मतलब निशांत सर शेफ के अंदर कुछ ऐसा एलिमेंट है। बहुत शेफ्स को मैंने देखा है, क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली में 14 साल रहा अपने करियर का, तो कोई ऐसे शेफ, सेलिब्रिटी शेफ नहीं है आप जिनका नाम लीजिए सबसे मिला हो, पर निशांत शेफ एक निराला शेफ है। निराला शेफ सही वर्ड होगा उनके लिए। और उन्होंने भी पूरा समय दिया, नहीं तो ऑलवेज मैंने देखा हूँ ये कहीं ना कहीं बिजी रहते हैं, बिकॉज इनके पास बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल कंसल्टेशंस भी रहती हैं, बट लेकिन उन्होंने पूरा इसमें सपोर्ट किया। सुमित है ही इनोवेटिव, एक नया जमाने का शेफ है, और आज का जनरेशन बहुत आसानी से सुमित के साथ कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं। तो शेफ सुमित आने वाले भविष्य का एक शेफ है जो जिनको फॉलो किया जा सकता है, और बहुत कुछ वहां से सीखा जा सकता है। फूड स्लाइड जो उनका चैनल है यूट्यूब, सही में वहां पे बच्चों को जो मिल रहा है, मैंने देखा है, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, सिंपल वे, साधारण वे, बच्चों को अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं, वो आगे करते हैं, और पीछे से बिहाइंड द सीन ही प्लेज, ही इज डूइंग द बेस्ट जॉब। एंड प्रेजेंटली 2 साल से जब हम लोग ऑनलाइन मोड पर चले गए, तब ध्यान में आया कि ये सिर्फ ये चीज 5 साल पहले से सोच के बैठा हुआ था कि ऑनलाइन का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है टीचिंग के अंदर। तो इसलिए इनको मॉडर्न शेफ मैं हर समय कहता हूँ। शेफ मीरा, जैसे मैंने बताया, एक लेडी जो घर से निकल के, हाउस मेकर से निकल कर, और इस दुनिया के में अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं। सो आई रियली गिव माई हार्ट टू हर, हैट्स ऑफ टू हर, शी इज डूइंग मार्वलस। और आई लव द वे शी कुक्स, जैसे उनको मसालों का ज्ञान है, सूंघ के बता देना, आंख बांध के रख दो, सूंघ के बता देंगे क्या चीज है। तो दीज आर गॉड गिफ्टेड। मैंने यही कहा, इस प्रोफेशन लोगों को चुनता है अपने लिए। सारे स्टूडेंट जितने लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, टोटल 60 प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशन थे, जिसमें से 31 पार्टिसिपेंट ने अपना समय पे वीडियोस जमा किया रेसिपी का, और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने स्क्रूटनाइज किया। टोटल 47 वीडियोस सबमिट हुए थे। बहुत मेहनत लगा इतने वीडियोस को जजेस के द्वारा देखना, मेरे साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करना, रिजल्ट देना, फिर उसके अंदर एक पैरामीटर सोशल मीडिया का भी था, उसको भी जांचना, अपने आप में बहुत टीडियस जॉब था। हम लोगों ने इसको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बना ही रखा था इतना कि हमें खुद मेहनत करना पड़ा रिजल्ट को निकालने के लिए, लेकिन हम चाहते थे कि बेस्ट रिजल्ट निकले। और हमने लेकिन ज्यूरीज के रिजल्ट को ज़्यादा तवज्जो दिया, उसके बाद हमने सोशल मीडिया को उसमें ऐड किया। इसीलिए किसी बच्चे को इस बात का दुख होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कि सर मेरा सोशल मीडिया पे उतना रीच नहीं होने के कारण मैं कहीं छूट गया, ऐसा नहीं है। पहले हम लोगों ने ज्यूरीज के ही रिजल्ट को कंसीडर किया, उसके बाद हमने सोशल मीडिया को जरूर लगाया। उसमें 1-2 आदमी ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, लेकिन टोटल रिजल्ट चेंज नहीं होता है। सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस कॉन्टेस्ट कि केवल व्यूअरशिप बढ़ा देने से भी ऐसा नहीं है कि हम किसी भी पार्टिसिपेंट को जिता देते हैं। हमारा वो चीज़ नहीं है। ये होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज है, हमारा काम है बच्चों को सिखाना, तो जो बेस्ट है उसको हम आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश हर समय साथ में करते हैं, लेकिन जो रूल्स है दोनों को साथ में लेके चलते हैं। सो सही कहा सिर्फ निशान ने, शांतनु सर ने, आप लोग मोटिवेटेड रहें, समय आने वाला है और आप लोगों के लिए बेस्ट समय आने वाला है, जल्दी आने वाला है। निशान सिर्फ ने कहा 2-3 महीने इंतजार कर लीजिए, फिर देखिए क्या बिजनेस वापस आता है, तो आप लोगों के लिए भी अपॉर्चुनिटी साथ में लेके आएगा। सिर्फ सुमित ने अपनी बातें रखी, उन्होंने गाइडेंस दिया आपको कैसे अपने वीडियोस को और अच्छा करना है। सिर्फ मीरा ने बहुत सारे टिप्स दिए, आप लोग उन सबको ध्यान में रखिएगा। एंड विनिंग और लूजिंग, सही बात है सिर्फ मीरा का कहना, कंपटीशन है, पार्टिसिपेट किया आप लोगों ने, इस लेवल पे पहुंचे हो, कौन जीता कौन हारा वो बस एक इवेंट का प्रोटोकॉल है कि किसी को विनर घोषित करना है। मेरे लिए आप सब विनर हो। हाँ, अगर प्राइज नहीं मिल पाया इस बार, अगली बार फिर कोशिश करना, जरूर मिलेगा। रॉबर्ट ब्रिज का स्टोरी हम लोग बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, he lost war for 7 times and then he won it after that. So just keep on trying. Those who all have submitted the videos, they are all winner for me, but as demand of the time, कोई ना कोई को winner ट्रॉफी तो घोषित करना ही हमें। So I'll like to take that opportunity to announce the result now. So for the time has come, सबको इंतजार था, तो let's go for it. First I'll go for consolation prize. मैं winners का नाम लास्ट में बताऊंगा। कंसोलेशन प्राइज हम लोगों ने इसलिए दिया कि उन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया, पर वो विनर का ट्रॉफी तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे थे, पर उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत अच्छा रहा ज्यूरीज के फीडबैक के हिसाब से। और एक कंसोलेशन प्राइज रहा ओवरऑल हमारी जो टीम थी, जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम थी, उनके हिसाब से। तो 2 कंसोलेशन प्राइज वो हैं, और उसके बाद हम विनर्स पे आएंगे। सो द फर्स्ट कंसोलेशन प्राइज गोज टू मिस अंकिता वर्मा. She is a class 12th pass student, not from a hotel management background. She has won the consolation prize, that is sponsor choice, that means the organizing team choice. Ankita, we congratulate. If you are in the meeting, if you want to say something, you are most welcome. Ms. Ankita Verma.
Yes,
She
sir.
is from a small city, Ramgarh, very near to Ranchi. और इस बच्ची ने बहुत कमाल किया, बहुत अच्छा वीडियो बनाया था, इसलिए ऑर्गेनाइजर ने कहा कि वी वांट हर to be awarded something or the other, so we have come up with this. Ankita, if you are there, please.
Yes, sir.
You want to say something? आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next consolation prize by the jury's choice is Miss Pratibha Topo. उनके द्वारा बनाया गया डुम्बू, जो कि एक झारखंडी लोकल डिश है, बहुत पसंद आया था, बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया गया था। बट सॉरी, ओवरऑल जजमेंट में प्रतिभा का थोड़ा बहुत मार्क्स रह गया। सो अदरवाइज शी कुड हैव वोन दैट झारखंड कुजिन कैटेगरी, बट नन ऑफ दिस, यू हैव रीच्ड टू दैट लिमिट। Congratulations, Pratibha. If you are there, if you want to say something, you are most welcome.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to take part in this competition. It was lovely participating in this competition. Thank you so much.
Keep on continuing. You will be the winner one day. You have done very good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now it's the time to announce the winners. There were 3 categories. The Jharkhand cuisine, wherein authenticity was one of the most important part. The vegetarian dish category, wherein the creativity we were looking for, and the dessert category, for the uniqueness we were looking for that. All the juries were finding the show. The winner for the first Jharkhand cuisine is Mr. Richik Roy from IHM Kolkata. He had cooked that elephant vegetable, that elephant yam ka vegetable, that ol ki sabji, and it was nicely presented very well and appreciated by all the judges. अभी शेफ निशान ने भी इस बात का जिक्र किया था, and बाकी जजेस ने भी बहुत अच्छा उस पे अप्रिशिएट किया था। Mr. Richik, congratulations. If you are there, you can share your experience.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. Continue.
Yeah. I'm very much thankful to Aichen Ranchi for providing such a good platform for us in this pandemic lockdown to present ourselves. And I'm a student from Aichen, Kolkata, second year. And with very limited ingredients and very limited space, I managed to prepare this. And I'm very happy to get the chance to participate in this contest and win it. And I have no words to say what to say now. I'm very much happy to know that I got this. And thank you so much,
Richard.
sir.
Thank you. Keep on excelling. Now, this was the best part. This has won the heart of all the jury and everyone. And obviously, I hope all the participants also must be guessing that. If any guesses are there, most welcome, or I'll announce if no guesses are there. Anyone would like to share your guessing?
Mansi Barnawal.
For which days?
Sir, Narsa.
Okay, let's see. This is Mr. Ans Garg. He is from IHM Pusa, and his Appe Ki Chaat was one of the most sought after video recipe submission of this whole 47 videos on this contest. It was one of the best, well presented and unanimous decision from all the jury was this Appe Ki Chaat. Yeah, Mr. Ans Garg, are you there?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ans. Mr. Ans is from IHM Pusa. Please, Ans, carry on if you want to share your experience.
Thank you for, sir, it's totally unbelievable for me. Thank you for, I totally lost all hope when you announced the winner. Sir, thanks a lot for providing, for giving me this certificate.
Okay, which year you are there? Which year you are studying right now? Which semester you are from?
Sir, I am in first year, second semester.
Okay, very nice. Nice.
Can I just congratulate him?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
I have very nice dish actually. I mean, are you fond of cooking Japanese food? So it looks like very close to okonomiyaki, which happens in Japan.
Sorry, sir. Actually, there is no video from my side.
Okay. No, I'm just saying that why did you choose to make Appe Ki Chaat first and foremost? And get fond of Japanese cuisine because it is very close to what okonomiyaki is.
No, sir. I have no idea about Japanese cuisine. Actually, I had bought one Appe mold lately, and I was just experimenting with the things, and so I came across making Appe, and it is a South Indian cuisine. And actually, there was a competition in IHM Pusa in which we had to present a regional cuisine of Delhi or Sikkim. So while preparing for that, I made the dish, and so I thought to make it again and present in this competition.
Very nice, excellent. Good show. Very healthy and very delicious.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Nishant, that's nice for you. Now, the last award of the day is the second time winner of Jharkhand Cookery League, Miss Simran Shruti. Again, this was the unanimous decision from all the jury, Mango Kulfi, and the hot selling video on the YouTube. It was having the highest view, highest likes and comment. So from everywhere, it was been appreciated right from all the corners, the juries, the viewers, everyone. And she has won the Jharkhand Cookery League Season 2 also. So she has made the habit of winning. So that's a great opportunity. She is a diploma student from IHM Ranchi only, but she is doing great. Simran, if you are there, you can share your experience.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's it? इतना ही कहना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, she is so happy. She is not able to speak right now.
Yes, sir.
No issues. I can understand. Winning every time makes you so happy. Next time we will not allow you to participate. दूसरे participants को मौका कैसे मिलेगा जीतने का? चलो, no, nothing like that way. Just kidding. So, thank you everyone. This was the result which I have announced, and I'll go back to my anchor, Miss Niharika Singh. Niharika, the session is being handing over to you. Please continue.
Congratulations to all the winners and best wishes to all the participants. And now I would like to hand over the session to my batchmate, Mr. Ankit Raj, to deliver vote of thanks. Ankit, please.
Am I audible?
Hello.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
It's coming little low voice. If you can remove your earphone and if you can speak directly. Yes.
Yes, sir. A very good afternoon to all. I deem it's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on the virtual Jharkhand Kukri League Award ceremony. First and foremost, I thank our Honorable Principal Sir Dr. Bhupesh Kumar to organizing this event. Honorable Chief Guest Sri Santanu Gua Roy, who despite his having busy schedule has found the time to grace the occasion. And I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to the jury members, Chef Nissan sir, Chef Meera ma'am, Chef Sumit sir for their valuable contribution. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank the faculty member, staff members, students, and especially the participants and our beloved audience for making this as a grand success. I would also like to congratulate the winners and best wishes to all the participants. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy the journey, and now I would like to give the call to Mr. Bhupesh sir to conclude this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit, for your vote of thanks. I'd like to again extend my thanks to all my jury members, Chef Nissan, Chef Sumit, Chef Meera, and Santanu sir, and all the audience who were present there, and we're excited to know the results. I hope few of you might have been disappointed, few of you might be happy, few of you might be neutral. This is a part of game, but we cannot leave participating. So keep participating. Everybody gets a chance to win today or tomorrow. It's by chance, it's by luck. Just you have to keep on giving your hard work, your best work. Keep on continuing the effort which you have done. I'll ask permission of our chief guest, Santanu sir, and my jury members if we can call up the session or anything they would like to say. Sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kumar. It was a great this thing. I would have also loved to have been part and see all those videos. I would definitely see sometimes from you. And congratulations to all the winners. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, all of you, and Dr. Bhupesh, thank you very much for organizing such an amazing festival, an amazing cooking competition. I'm sure this is a very stressful exercise as well, because we have a long stage, we have something very constructive to do. So I think take it very positively, although positive is a bad word right now. But I let's just say that be optimistic, okay? And winning and losing are part of the game. Sometimes you lose and you lose. So all the best, stay safe, and we'll see you soon in the industry.
Thank you, sir.